First, 2007.
Your 2007 Ustream Special Career Award goes to...
For the French.
I will let you say that.
Jean-Michel Bayle. Jean-Michel Bayle, Roger de Coster, Giuseppe, incroyable.
I would like Roger give the trophy to him.
Oh, merci, merci.
Sorry to make you to work, but I think it's much better.
Il faut dire, Jean-Michel, qu'au-delà du sport, une vraie amitié vous lie à Roger.
Oui, je vais parler en français, ça sera plus facile. Déjà, ça fait 20 ans que je connais Giuseppe. Et Giuseppe, tu fais un travail vraiment incroyable dans le motocross. Et je crois qu'on doit tous te remercier pour tout ce que tu fais. Et pour rester dans le cross comme ça, c'est vraiment la passion qui te mène. Et je l'apprécie à juste titre parce que c'est la passion aussi qui m'a guidé dans ce sport. Donc bravo Giuseppe pour tout ce que tu fais. Et pour Roger c'est vraiment incroyable, c'est une histoire incroyable pour moi. C'est grâce à lui que je suis allé aux États-Unis. C'est grâce à lui que j'ai pu faire carrière là-bas. Il m'a tout appris, il m'a tout donné. Et franchement, aujourd'hui, je réalise à quel point il a été important dans ma carrière. Donc un grand merci à Roger de Coster pour m'avoir permis de réaliser mes rêves les plus fous, d'être champion aux États-Unis. Et voilà, un grand merci à Roger.
So now, I want make pleasure to myself. You know, I go out of what you have right. I want profit of this situation. It's great for me. Because I want call on the podium some other great champion. I want call Michele Rinaldi. I want call Eric Geburs. I want call Dave Thorpe. And I want a nice picture with them. Because, thank you to them, I'm here. Because I was so fun. Thank you.
Et juste un petit mot pour l'histoire. Jean-Michel Bayle a gagné le premier Supercross ici à Monaco. À Monaco, il y a 15 ans, Jean-Michel avait gagné. And Monaco, first Supercross of Monaco was won by Jean-Michel Bayle. Ici, 15 years ago. Mesdames et messieurs, les remerciements et tous ces grands pilotes pour cette photo incroyable. Je crois que la presse ne va pas manquer. Regardez cette photo. Je vous demande vos applaudissements, mesdames et messieurs. Michele Rinaldi, Eric Geburs, Roger de Coster, Dave Thorpe, Giuseppe Luongo. Mesdames et messieurs, je vais vous demander, encore une fois, one more time, a standing ovation, je vais vous demander de vous lever, s'il vous plaît, pour accueillir Madame Hélène de Groot, s'il vous plaît, pour Yann de Groot.
I won't say some word on behalf of Mrs. de Groot because I don't think it's, you know, it's very difficult moment. It's very hard, but we want to remember the name of Jan for what he did on the sport. For this we are done, we are great. This is a special award, what he will stay forever, for the youngest rider because he was working very hard and a lot of young riders, they come out from his team. For this we want to really thank you to him again for what he done for our sport, and still is a lot of riders, they race on this moment and they continue. Thank you very much to Miss de Groot to be here, and we will remember always. A very big applause for Jan. So,
Mesdames et messieurs, Pete Byler, please. Pete, could you explain us what is Wing for Life?
Well, thank you first for the invitation tonight. It's a wonderful evening. I want to give my biggest compliment to all the champions here on stage. I know how hard it is to work for our lovely sport, and deepest respect for everybody who is here on stage. So, and the year. I want to make it really short. Working just on research and development for spinal cord injuries, and I think sometimes a little bit understood wrong. It's not to help people who are in a wheelchair to get far or to make life easier in the wheelchair. It's purely to develop this injury solvent, because there was that everybody was accepting that you cannot heal it, and now there are some really good things going on behind closed doors. And Wings for Life is supporting that, bringing the best doctors from all over the world together. And communication was missing, a great manager like you was missing maybe to bring all these top people together. Things are moving, and that's what Wings for Life is pushing for. So I want to thank you for supporting this foundation. You all know you as a great businessman, but you also have your heart in the right position. Thank you.
Thank you, Pete. We got a big thing. We want to give a check of 10,000 euro to the foundation, ensure the trophy for the work all they do it. So it's, I really hope a lot of other manufacturers, sponsors, everybody take that, because it's a need. So thank you very much, and thank you also for what you personally done now beside your Wings for Life, what you have done for the sport as a rider, what you do now like as a manager, and for all your activity. And I'm very happy to see you always with the same grinta of before.
Voilà les remerciements de Giuseppe Longo à Pete Bayer pour le travail de l'association Wing for Life. The national team winning Motocross des Nations. On va appeler maintenant le vainqueur du Motocross des Nations représenté, represented by.
Please, Mr. Roger DeCoster, join us on stage.
Allez, Roger de Coster sur scène s'il vous plaît. Mesdames et messieurs, applaudissements pour le team manager de l'équipe vainqueur du Motocross des Nations. Few weeks ago.
It was a few weeks ago, tell us about it.
It was great, and not only the result, but it was also fun to see that many fans showed up. More than expected. And, we have been coming to the nations, to Europe several times in recent years, and France always does such a good job with the nation. The last ones we have been to, and England, the track was really good. The weather was not so great, but there was a lot of people, so I was very worried that we would not get a decent crowd. And they did show up, and I think thanks to our press also in the US, they really supported the event, and the industry supported it, and everything worked out fine. Le Motocross des Nations aux États-Unis l'année dernière était un succès. J'avais très peur que le public n'allait pas suivre, surtout après avoir venu en France souvent pour les nations en France, qui sont toujours un succès d'organisation et de public. En Angleterre, l'année précédente, le public était là, mais le temps n'était pas là, c'était la foule comme souvent, comme en Belgique. Et le public est venu en grand nombre, et je crois beaucoup grâce à la presse américaine qui ont soutenu le Motocross des Nations. Et je veux dire merci aussi à l'organisateur de God's Creek, Jonathan Beasley. Jonathan est un peu, en américain on est crazy, un peu fou sur les bords, mais il avait le cœur à la bonne place, ça fait longtemps.